Model 2016 VAUXHALL VIVARO L1 Diesel 2900 1.6CDTI 90PS ecoFLEX H1 van body, white, panel van mileage, 76,419 MOT. The 16th of April 2024 engine, 1598 cc 1.690 PSS, SE5A transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts fine, runs perfect. Turbo needs replacing. Nice, simple, straightforward repair. Grin condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. There is a very clean, well-maintained ex-British Telecom van, twin side loading doors, rear step, professional shelving etc. Grin features, one former keeper, electric windows, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear cap. Retail, £7,850. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0. 7